Hello everybody. Hey, look, I'm asking for help from the community. Anybody who knows the answer to my question, I would really appreciate it. Need your help. I need to need your help in identifying what this multimeter is, the maker, and also looking for any literature, service manual, for free or for a fee. If you could point me in the right direction on any of it, I would really appreciate it. This is a really cool looking multimeter, and have not had a chance to plug it in and check it out. I've had this for a while and just now able to get to it. Let's see here. The power cable has a little nick in the sheathing, and I might need to put a little tape on that, fix that. Anyway, to the point of the meat here. Can you identify that? I don't know what the maker's mark is. Is it CEI, ECI, GI, EIEIO? I have not a clue. I've done a lot of Googling on all kinds of combinations and with no luck. So if there's any way you could help me, I'd appreciate that. The meter has no markings in it, but it does have reflection of my light. And let me compound on that quandary. What is that? Gallons per voltage. I like this meter because it goes all the way up to 1500 volts, which is awesome. I don't think this switch here is original, but it is a cool chicken head looking switch. I mean, it could be original. I have no idea. If I could find paperwork on it. And that's another thing. Any idea about what year? I'm thinking 70s. Let me spin it around here real quick and we can look at the other side. Practically no markings. I was kind of hoping once I opened it up. Anyway, that's the case for it right there. I'll put a picture of what this looks like assembled. The only thing I can come up with for a date code is on this meter right here. Now, I need my light. Which looks like it says 1974. And then if you look, the maker's mark on the meter is a Dixon. Now, I can get a lot of hits on that, but nothing nothing concrete. This is the board. The only markings on the board is not found there. We do have some numbers throughout the board, but I think it's probably part numbers for the board. For example, right here we have a number. Now I'm going to try to zoom in and get the maker's mark on the board. If not, then I'll put a picture up. Let's see, can't really see. There we go. Get my hand out of the light. So that's Nelco, N-E-L-C-O, and I do believe that's a board number, and there was another board number on the other side somewhere. The terminals are put in like that, so I'm not sure if this is a high-end meter or it was built for budget. I do like it because values are put on the board. And do have a marking here on the transformer. Again, same story. If I can't get it by camera, I will throw it up by picture. I should say by video. It's all done on a camera. And lastly, there's another mark right there. Again, I think that's board number, part number. Capacitors. The only two electrolytics in here are these. They have, both of them have that code on it. I don't know if that's a date code. So that's it. If you could help me out with this, I'd appreciate that. I haven't even, like I said, fired this up. This is a really cool meter. I really like it. It's a little short, fat, stubby thing. Thick metal here that went on the sides. I'll put a picture up. You'll see what it looks like complete. Anyway, again, if you could help me with any information on this, I would really appreciate it. Alright, thank you very much in advance, and for watching. I will talk to you guys later. See ya.